sister, today I want to come and read for you about the birth of the John the Baptist foretold. Away name it that the miller double attack the 39 year or have panet to Bacala. This was it up with power Bacala so you have a clue. Le blurra so you have a clue. When a me Puaragala, Takatupa or Le a clue. Work a kero Maragale, or work a me Maragale. The Tanakura, when after the pani, Pesucomoon or Bethala. Batamuna, Bakamaka Sayatama. Okay, we want to be like the missionary bus. Who told your story? Okay, who told your story? You should think about it. When it means Mataragala, Katuta, and the who told your story? Here, I want to read for you about the Luke chapter 1, verse 5. Okay, started in the 5. Okay, learn no pagdama liluka asedo to sabuyani tebra. Okay, tebra pain in the time of Herodian or Judea, there was a priest named Zachariah who belonged to the priestly division of Abijah. His wife Elizabeth was also descendant of Aaron. This is a meaning about it, okay? Pene bagitema lako yuda sopa. Terala sopa hero suni metadaka paluta do le sobia asukla. Sobia asukla. Ami me so sakari wedega. Amami me so ha so a rayo a haru apumu pokwa. Okay. So aha ro apomo pokwa ameme not Elisabella not Elizabeth not Elizabeth no I want to talk about not Elizabeth alone. Paine bagidatu both of them were upright in the sight of God, okay, observing all the Lord's commandments and regulation blamelessly. Blamelessly, Sidane Metala with the Pocket or Atakamako over didn't it over Normi ba. No tower lower jua amenya, Kiala, do lewele jua tamalo, and a mopakiane, do atatota local poo, do patakamala a lot over. Okay, to lot over. When a Bethinia sick or a targeted upon painted above, they had no children because Elizabeth was barren and they were both well alone in years. Okay. Paine Pocketetama, hi, my friends. Paine Pocketetama, Dilo. Okay. But Paine, Padomua Kiane, me Poathir Pala. Pagkita away a putuba. Okay, a putuba. No put uba agiri not Elizabeth name me patu pudo tapua the heti we kialelo. Okay, they are all. Okay, let's look at once Zachariah's division was on duties and he was serving a priest before God. Pesagdoni Tevra Paini Dota Matala Ama Paluta Adu Atamala Pagteramalat Alla Ato no Ato Asuklala Juamenya De Paluta do Palula so do Pawetado Penny no Penny Bethinyala the scene your Paini Queen Tevra de Lamb. He was chosen by Lot according to the custom of the priesthood to go into the temple of the Lord and burn incense. Burn incense itane awame poala kabale lidama. Do alene su yuatale budo basuke tanamulo awetera pane suke vetanamu. Okay, paragane. Now, when the senior David and when the time for the burning of incense came, all the assemblers, worshippers, were prayers outside. Penny Pwala Oleta Clerney about Hibati Patanelo. But Oleta Kupuni, main Lesuke Namudane, but Oleta Clan about Hibatipa. Donari la Suke Tanamuni, Pogamu kill a Batikupatala ko did okay. Pero 11 ni tevra dile, paga le kwala 11 ni tevra dile. Okay. Then an angel of the Lord appeared to him, standing at the right side of the altar of incense. Okay. Panero pagna no. Jua aklu ni lo plaro asale menya. Do jua aklu dega lo plaro asale o do Seta wele tasuka namu alo su twe de ko tala su si de su twe ni ba thinya no awen tasu wi do tasu okikaro. We should think about okay, left hand and the right hand is okay, the blessed one, okay, cursed one. We should think carefully. When Zachariah saw him, he was startled and was grabbed with fear. Pagdana Peniso Zachariah name. Tiba we do atuku atawo. Okay, do pli bapuelo. Tibera kaloni atuku tago ababli bapuelo penelo. But the angels said to him, Pagdana mala muko kolone teba, do not be afraid. When in malo plidaba. Yes. Zacharias, your prayer has been heard. Your wife Elizabeth will bear you a son, and you are to give him the name John. Do panero pathinya lo do kolone siba also Zacharias. Plida de agiri tana hutili ne tatu kapado namana no Elizabeth kasishane pokwado nabayi amila so you hello. Okay, you have to give a name John. No penny, papumu pleroni, pabathinya la tamata mimi. Okay. Little no kodaro, but we're at the pani, but me papa tomu pupata thidine. Okay, we are there. Normal people, and then the God chosen people is different. Okay. Now, Pedro Pakitete 14 talk about here. He will be a joy and delight to you, and many will rejoice because of his birth. Pakitete Panido do kamita taku tu pita nyolo no do wa katukuta kula o play re ni agalo. Okay, so you are o play toli a quota on a pakatukuta kulo dera penny no put out play where you clone. For he will be great in the sight of the Lord. He is never to taste wine or other fermented drink, and he will be filled with the Holy Spirit even from birth. When the potato mala agiri kami puadulo juamenya, dosapiti do tamu puane, taba oba weba, sapiti tamu one, dola amo hapa pulilini, kalapu wedo tasosi, kalapu weda tasosi no. Many of the people of Israel will he bring back to the Lord their God. When a packet malo sivera taita clone delo, okay. The siku dog a bohaki po islapo agasu kasayua aulo. There mimi dinero pekakwa pay the sepo tamata. Let's see 17. And he will go on before the Lord in the spirit and power of Elias. Power of Elias. Okay. To turn the hearts of the father to the to their children and the disobedient to the wisdom of the righteous to make ready a people prepare for the Lord. When it Pathinya Sicolata Martha Leta Tirpane Sicolo. Dokale Wella Amenyala saw Elia Pane saw Elia through a tha. No asukamo didu agabuhaki parpa atasu po o do pota subatane supato palo ataku thi didu akakatek do pamaki atha tegalulu kasagolo. This is a God chosen people. Okay, when it means you are takutelo away okay. The spirits and power of Elias. Okay, when it begin mala ta so she do so Elias ta so she. Okay, begin mala no. No pero pekele kwa sikolo ta mata pay sikolo. Okay, the sikolo Tevras 18 talk about a little bit here. Zacharias asked the angels, "How can I be sure of this? I am an old man, and my wife is well alone in years." Okay. Pagkiteno malo ta matar tiba mano. Soska sosakai seba kalone ta I yekatinya dile agiri I yera I yami puata puado yamani ta puata hetili nilo. Leta no kuraro pakro patu patalo away ne mita mystical away to it. This is the right thing. That's Zacharias he talking. Okay. The angel answers, "I am Gabriel. I stand in the presence of God, and I have been sent to speak to you and to tell you this good news." Okay. To tell you the good news. Let's go to the Pakropatu Patala Patamupu Sikolo 19. Pain it around Dr. Luni Katu Setaro Siba or Yeda E Yemi Gabriela Le Asserta Le Yuamenya Do Tamu Yeheka Tutarona Do Yesiba Teba Nala Tata Ku Aka Soilo Tebe Penny Pagano Clone. 20 talk about, "And now you will be silent and not able to speak until the day this happened, because you did not believe my words, which way came truth at their proper time." Okay, you did not believe my words. Okay, but that man netana yitaka tu ba mano do kwa min netana ba yekalulu aka le top to pe aka toni do le atakluma de ba sa do na ka tu ta thila ba do na ba na ka ut ulo. Okay, silent. Okay, you will be silent. Pagita man Nata sutana do wa hodarone nagaba ut ulo they were panic. Okay. Meanwhile, the people were waiting for Zacharias and wondering why he stayed so long in the temple. Pe bagdema sector pane pogamu kwala soskari eclair do mi pa u khekele talibu akama kama wete kutilo kama wete kutilo okay khele talo bu no pa kama wete kuti pane devra. Okay, kama. Dot 22 talk about when he came out, he could not speak to them. They realized he has seen a vision in the temple, for he keep making sign to them, but remained unable to speak. Sidane. Awe odidala katuta the thiba. When you begin. Do hakito way do katuta or the thiba. No aware the thing yala atitala nyako, no. The people know he see the vision. Not talihipu. Do aware da klata su awete a o do ut uwelo. Yes. People know about he see the vision, but he making hair like this. Okay. No, but my pain. Okay. 23. When his time of service was completed, he returned home. After this, his wife Elizabeth became pregnant and for 5 months remained in seclusion. Okay, pagkita mala uri data la okutu okuliwe mo no seclusion se pagkita na okutu okuliwe pane yela no tamata la ani thola aga ama atani le do pwe do ki we su lo no talamu ni ne a lot ki do ama not not Elizabeth de to do pakutu tha yela de ra ke 5 months does siweda okay panino pathinya sikolo the Lord has done this for me she said in this day he has shown his favor and taken away my disgrace among the people disgrace idane pagitena mala aware kero tha no pagitena mala ta takre ba phane teweda no pagitete odin lo okay no paini pagitete mala okay do tamata la ani phane do ta la muni de phane lucky do ama no Elizabeth de to do pakutu tha yela do siweda kasa maya de I le muni de pha phe acquire de tu akamapu ma player le ta du dwe le pakanyo akla lo pakanyo ta du dwe le pakanyo akla okay this great but we should think about it okay the God chooses you okay the God wants you to do something okay this is a not okay this is a between normal people and God chosen people okay I believe about that like this okay I believe because the gospel is never lie talking the truth thing okay people the God favor you the God will do for you okay remember this my friends my brother and sister double the talk a little kasa you are me in at the pocket ne kasa yo kamata malo okay leta no kura ma kura lo no no mi ba kasa yo kamata ba pasana kini away ni so you ha pablo so you ha uple tate pawe agi eklo the clue uple de mata mata the first his father okay doubting and the angel told him and then his mouth silent can't talking okay remember this all right when it meet to me okay this is a amazing thing okay miraculous okay remember this God chooses people is different between normal people and God chosen people okay let them know believe okay the angel told him Zachariah angel told him he don't believe because he is old right that doesn't matter the God can do everything yo marati khelo lo tan ko ro pa kro pa tu pa da lo bata mo pu lo bata su ta na ro ba the thi ba ta ba ba don't think about it okay cannot be happen right remember that this is not possible you think about it that God can do whatever God can do okay my friends my brother and sister John the Baptist okay this is a foretold remember that okay John the Baptist is the birth foretold remember my friends and my brothers wait a minute so you ha a tau play a real clue tate power okay tate pass when it on thank you so much my friends and God bless you all may God bless you and your family your friends your household every person with your side Bye bye. See you next time. Okay.